Welcome to Enterprise Architecture, EA, training, powered by Tonex.com. Why should you choose Tonex for your enterprise architecture training? Enterprise architecture training guides you with the development of architecture development reference architecture and needed architectural information that can be provided in advance to an enterprise to enable consistent architectural best practices. What is Tonex Enterprise Architecture Training Bootcamp? Tonex Enterprise Architecture Training is an intensive learning experiences that cover the essential elements of enterprise architecture. Enterprise Architecture Training Bootcamp includes experienced instructors including senior business and technology leaders, current enterprise architect, and CTOs. Real-life enterprise architecture initiatives, examples and practices. Small class size. Personalized instructor mentoring. Pre-training discussions. Ongoing post-training support via email, phone and WebEx. Enterprise architecture training objectives. Understand the basic concepts of enterprise architecture, EA. Identify the added value of EA. Explore why and how to build an EA. Understand challenges of implementing EA, including the technical and organizational issues. Identify the elements of an EA implementation plan. Articulate strategy is gradually implemented architecturally in systems, vendor selection strategies, processes and in organization structures supporting the systems. List architectural processes, architecting governance and architectural patterns. Traits and auxiliary competencies needed by architects, particular technologies and their use. Develop an EA working plan. Determine specific architectures necessary for your organization. Identify the steps to improve enterprise architecture practices. Develop a good understanding of architecture, architect ring and enterprise architecture in terms of definition, challenges and competitive benefits. More effectively understand the need for enterprise architecture cross-functional activities. More effectively realize the value of TOGAF 4+1 trademark forum in developing specific strategies and measuring their impact and more. Course agenda. Introduction to Architecture and Architects. What is enterprise architecture, EA? Concepts behind enterprise architecture, EA. Basic architecture. Information architecture. Integration architecture. Current state and future directions of the IT industry. EA components. EA implementation plan examples. A comparison of the top enterprise architecture methodologies. 4+1 view model. Case studies, Tonex Enterprise Architecture, EA, exercises and EA. Enterprise Architecture, Bootcamp workshops available for this training. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.